Hello traders, I hope guys you are enjoying trading today. We had an amazing trade at the New York opening and I just finished my trading day. I think it is around 5 p.m. London time with amazing lot of pips. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis in real time. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. As you can see here, most of the pairs, amazing pips you can see here. A lot of pips we had it today. Let's talk about the EURUSD. EURUSD, we just banked beautiful pips from here. Let me share with you this morning. If you haven't seen my this morning analysis, the video link is given in the video description. So this morning analysis, as I mentioned, we have this breakouts. We have taken a long here. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the resistance level. We were expecting a counter short trade here and we had it counter short trade, and afterwards at the New York session we also had this breakout short trade and banked beautiful pips. So as you can see here, one amazing trade we had, and let me share with you the entries. Okay, so as you can see here this morning, this was my trade. That was the beautiful long trade, banked few pips. And once the price target hit at the profit target, which I explained, we were expecting a counter, and that's explained. If the price gonna break the previous high, then possibility of long. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this orange EMA or trend support line, then we're looking at short trade here. Most high probability trade, which is I always explain to my trader that after the breakout, as you can see here, look for another pullback, which nicely pulled back. We have a beautiful short trade here, and afterwards we have another beautiful short trade here, as you can see here. As soon as the price hit profit target, bank profit. But I also did this analysis updated at the New York session just to help my traders not to miss the opportunity. As you can see here, this was the analysis. As I can see here, I mentioned this level, look for this breakout. As you can see, price nicely broken, momentum was developed bearish. We have rejection at the major resistance level, and once the price break the major structure, as you can see here, we explained keep taking a pullback, one pullback, second pullback, and as soon as the price hit to the profit, as you can see here at the support level. And just recently, a few minutes ago, I mentioned to my trader, guys, I'm done for the day, enjoying profit. So we had amazing trade here. Right, so let's talk about the dollar CAD. That's the another trade we had. We just had this counter long trade here. Let me share with you in more detail about the dollar CAD. If you look at we had a 4 hour this morning. As you have seen, we had the short trade here, banked beautiful pips. Once the price developed, as you can see here, bullish engulfing candle, and price came back and retest. That's what exactly we had a long trade here, and we bank amazing profit on the counter trade here. Let me share with you guys. As you can see here, this morning and my previous analysis, we were short here, bank PPs. So at the New York session, and that's what I explained a real time with the price action, guys, look for this, because we have this trend resistance broken. We're looking for another pullback. As you can see here, as soon as the price developed a double bottom here at the support level, that's momentum was bullish. We have bullish engulfing candle in 4 hour. That give us the confidence and the high probability trade. So we have taken this long trade here, and as always, after the breakout, keep taking a pullback. So nicely, as soon as the price hit to the profit target, to the second fib channel, and that's what I explained to my trader, guys, I'm done, enjoy profit on dollar CAD. Amazing trade, guys, we had it. Okay, so this morning we had a euro yen. I believe that was the trade, but we also had let me share with you the euro yen. If you look at the euro yen this morning, we had this long trade here and banked beautiful pips, and as soon as the price reverse and develop a false breakout, we had a counter short trade here. Let me share with you the entries. As you can see here, this morning we had this long trade here, as you seen, banked beautiful pips. So afterwards, as you can see here, price develop a sideways market, and that's what I explained. Look for this breakout. As you can see here, price broken the previous low and beautiful short trade here. Afterwards, another pullback. As you can see here, price broken after the breakout, another short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explained my trader, just enjoy some profit and let's wait for the New York session. And after the New York session, price develop another symmetric triangle pattern. Again, you can see here another beautiful breakout. After the breakout, pullback, give us the confirmation, short trade here. So we really enjoyed it in euro yen, guys. Amazing trade, most of them. If you look at dollar yen, we had amazing trade, guys. Yen, I think, looks like the buyers came back to in shape now. So that's what I explained to my trader. If you look at the, first of all, look at the euro yen, dollar yen in 4 hour, as explained to my trader. Look for another. We have the spinning top. This as soon as the spinning top is developed, a bullish spinning top, we have this long trade here, and that was the trade. Let me share with you the trade. We had this beautiful trade at the New York session. As you can see here, the price basically explained to look for channel breakout, or if you look at here, look for this breakout. If the price can break recent high, a recent low, then look at. So you can see here breakout, momentum is developed bullish. We have the confirmation in 4 hour. Big price developed double bottom here, beautiful, and afterwards pull back. Amazing. As soon as the price hit to the previous high in 4 hour, that's what I explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. We had amazing trade here. We had another amazing trade on Aussie dollar and the Kiwi dollar. What a beautiful trade we had, guys, today. All of them. If you look at, this was a beautiful trade. That's what I explained to my trader. Look for here, price develop a double bottom here, double top here, and the price broken this previous low. And I was explaining to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price respected here. This was the breakout. We were looking into it, and that's what I did this analysis. Look for this breakout, and beautiful. You can see here, that was the amazing trade we had. This was a beautiful breakout short trade here. Bang, beautiful pips. Same thing, we had a Kiwi dollar. That was the amazing trade, beautiful breakout short trade here. You can see, guys, we had amazing, all of them. Dollar Swiss franc, that was the beautiful breakout long trade here. Pound Swiss franc, we had amazing, beautiful pullback long trade here. You can see here, amazing after the breakout, pretty straightforward pullback. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. We had an amazing day today, guys, both London morning and the New York session. I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As I was keep telling you guys, you should enjoy those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where we train people with the live market in real time, because that's what I believe. That's the only way you're going to develop your trading skill. Otherwise, other method is just like you are learning swimming in through YouTube, through videos, and in classroom through one-to-one. You can't be a swimmer. You need to be with instructor in the swimming pool. That's the our swimming pool, where you can see that the instructor is online analyzing market in real time. You can ask question instantly, you will get replied instantly, and you can develop your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market in real time every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, guys. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.